Super tight.
Yeah. Okay, now you just gotta get the last one. Just right here. Okay, not the last one, actually. Okay, so we're gonna put this right there. And then boom, power supply in.
Now we just need to plug all this shit in.
Exactly. Look at all that crap. Also, for our internet, we're going to be using an adapter because I don't want to put it in the card right now. So, yeah, just USB Wi-Fi adapter. And idwoop. Focus, you piece of crap. Yeah, and idwoop. Well, it would help if we actually clicked the focus button. Now we're going to plug it in back here.
Because we're too lazy to get an actual card.
Yeah. Alright. Now. It's a little bit closer. Get that sick action, bro. Alright. Alright. You can start now. Alright, so. These are all your chords. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna go with the main power, which I think is the main power. I don't know.
Maybe, maybe not. No clue.
The maybe main power. We're gonna plug it in. You see that right there? That long ass thing? That's where we're gonna plug it into.
Can't see it because of all the cords.
Yeah, I know. Here, hold the cords. Hold.
Right there.
So you see, we're gonna plug it into this long white part right here.
The long white part.
Yes. Okay, so first we gotta line all the pieces. Fucking titties.
Shitty titties.
Okay, I can't see shit.
Tell me about it.
Okay. Now we're just gonna get that piece plugged in. Now, plug in everything.
You did it?
I think so.
After 10 years?
Yes. Okay, so now that part's plugged in.
Nice.
Now let's see here. Let's get this 4-part piece. Here. Now we're gonna take this and plug it in for the. I believe that's for the CPU power. Right there, the little white part. Again, just right there. Little piece, little 4-part slot. Right here, little 4-part piece. Now we're just going to plug it in, and you hear a little click. It's good. So now, this cord isn't used. This cord isn't used. This one isn't used.
If they're not used, why do
These
they
ones
even
are
have them?
used. This one isn't used either, really.
If they're not used, why do you even have them?
Because they're just extra cords that came with the power supply.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna have to plug this in.
It's too dark.
Yeah. Alrighty. So now we're almost done. We're almost done. Almost. Alright, we got our stuff plugged into our hard drive. Now, none of these cords are used, so usually what I do with them, what I would do with them, is put them in here. Just shove them in this empty space right here that no one uses.
Seems about right.
Yep. Just hold on. They really get jammed in there after you're done with them. You just, just get in there.
Fist it all in.
Yeah, pretty much. That cord isn't used either. Alright, so you see, when looking at our full PC build right here, this is pretty much completed. Yeah, it's completed.
All we need is the shell.
All we need to do is plug the power in. Your basic power adapter, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Alright, so you gotta plug in your power, which honestly, if you can't figure this out by yourself, you're just lame.
Stupid.
Yeah, you shouldn't be building a PC in the first place. Now that's plugged in. So, now with the PC supposed to be done, it might be done, who knows. Let's see if it turns on. Alright.
No, that's good. It's good.
You think it's running?
It's good.
Now, let's see if it actually turned on.
Dude, let there be shade. Let there be shades, man. We're getting a glare.
We're using this
We're getting a lens glare.
1080p. Yeah, let's be shades.
Let there be shade. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Right,
You want to
that's my TV service. Alright, now let's see if it actually works.
No signal. What about 3? Is there a 3?
I put it in HDMI too.
Alright.
So that means that graphics card is probably broken.
Well, I'm gonna plug in the... What was it called again, right?
Yeah. Here, hold on. Alright, well this ATI is broken.
So time to plug in the God card.
Yep.
Not like Yu-Gi-Oh! God card, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
In a video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in a video.
Alrighty. Well, just... So we're going to be using a...
God card.
Yes, NVIDIA GTX 1050.
God.
It's not a TI, it's just a 1050. So, it's pretty good. It's not bad. So... Just gotta, plug in all your screws. Alright, now I'm going to be extra careful with this card because it's expensive. Even right now, it's still like $100 something. Oh shit, I broke it.
Dude.
I'm kidding. Alrighty, now it should be... Alright, I think we're locked in, ready to go. Locked and loaded, ready to blow it, and... Are you ready? Well, no beeping.
Not yet.
Fingers crossed. Oh, wait, guys, we're retarded. We
No
didn't plug in the HDMI
HDMI.
cord.
Bruh.
We didn't plug in the HDMI cord.
Bruh, you retarded.
Right. Now for the actual test. Hey, look at that. The E-Machine logo. That's actually sad. That's the motherboard that's apparently being used. EA, it's in your mom. Alright, well, that's cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, we'll see you around making more videos. Computer related.